welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make pumpkin cake. And if you want to see this video, just click the bell and subscribe if you aren't subscribed.
We'll be using for this ingredients are 1 stick and a half of butter, room temp, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 pinch of salt or 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. We have 1 tablespoon of each clove, cinnamon powder, allspice, and grated nutmeg. And we also have 1 cup of brown sugar, and we have 2.5 cups of pumpkin puree. Here we have pumpkin puree, and we have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and we have 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. And this is what we're going to use for our ingredients. Now we're going to cream the butter and the sugar together.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, la la. Look. The sugar and the butter is creamed together. Now I'm just gonna add the egg gradually, but I'm gonna check first to see if all the eggs are good. And I'm using 3 large eggs. That one is okay. That one is okay. You always want to go and check if your eggs are good, Moya, because sometimes there's a bad egg in the batch. Okay.
Okay. So you want to check out the eggs all good. That one is a cake swine. So we did it. Waka. Oh, it's a wine.
And now we're just gonna add the egg gradually. We're gonna add 1 egg at a time until everything is nicely incorporated. Yeah? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the vanilla.
I'm not on myself.
Alright, add the vanilla for them. And it is 2 tablespoons of vanilla.
2 tablespoons?
Yeah, add it inside, all of it. And add the buttermilk too.
Oh, myself?
Yeah.
Okay. All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
And then?
Yeah. Go ahead and add the pumpkin puree.
Ooh, great pumpkin pie. Already eaten already. Ooh, but it's wet. It's gonna cheat.
I'm gonna get my spatula.
I can't taste it already.
And mix it in.
Is it like pizza dough or not? Oh,
It smells so good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven 350 degrees. And I'm just gonna go ahead in another bowl. I'm gonna sieve all the spices. And Maya just gonna give it a shake like so, like this, and sieve it. See? And sometimes they lump up, so you just go in with your hands and sieve them. You're gonna sieve the baking powder also. Put the baking powder in the sieve.
Well, I sieve it.
All of it. Ginger. Put the ground ginger.
Yep. Put it with your hands.
Wow.
It feels bumpy.
Smelling good?
Yep. To me.
Go ahead and just give this a nice whisk. Blend all the spice and the flour together. Look at this. Oh my God. Wow. Smells so good. Smell good to you? Smell it.
Yeah, goody.
Oh my God. Mix the dry ingredients with, I'm gonna mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Oh my. I then whisk this with my electrical mixer. You want to go ahead and whisk this till it's all combined. You see no flour.
No.
Everything nicely combined. This.
Look at that.
You want it to be just like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my baking tin.
Yep.
I'm using a Bunt pan.
Yep, to make the cake.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and
clean it.
and pour my cake mixture into the pan.
Yep, and then put it in the oven for 3 minutes.
I'm gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes to 55 minutes.
Okay.
Whenever you bake it and you use a toothpick or a knife, or insert something inside and you see nothing come on it. Okay? So you know when it's baked. No more?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for 350 degrees and bake it until golden brown, or when you insert a toothpick and it come off, nothing comes on it. So have it, guys, the finished product. This is done. Look at this beautiful pumpkin cake. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. This has baked for 45 minutes. And when you're gonna take this out, you wanna go ahead and push the edge up and push down the bottom of this. You just wanna go around with the knife.
Yep.
Just like this.
Yep, and be careful with it.
All around and in the middle. And now I'm just gonna flip this over. I just want it to be completely cool. Not really completely cool, but a little bit cool to flip it over.
Yes. And then you have a guy.
And here you have it, guys. Beautiful. Look at this. Let's see it. Look at this. Whoa.
And you get the outside, yeah.
Hmm?
You're cute.
Wow, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my turntable and frost it with my frosting. Go ahead and drizzle this with some frosting. Okay.
I'm helping you, Mommy.
I can see that.
So we can get the spool and going.
You're moving it too quick, right?
And over here too. Maybe a little bit of cake. It's dripping on. How about just that? Let's wipe it off. There we go. The cake goes so.
We're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Look at this beautiful lovey. Look at this beautiful pumpkin cake. You think really good?
Yeah, it's quite spooky. Oh, no. One slice for you and one slice for me, okay?
Yeah.
Spooky.
Look at this. Super duper moist. Look at this. Oh my god. Taste it now, Maya. Oh, like.
Okay.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Bye, guys.